Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to activate an Apple gift card using your iPhone step by step. Step 1. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Make sure your device is connected to the internet and that you are signed in with your Apple ID. Step 2. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the App Store. This will open your account settings where you can redeem gift cards. Step 3. Select Redeem Gift Card or Code. You can choose to enter the code manually or use your iPhone's camera to scan the card. Step 4. If entering manually, carefully type the 16-digit code from the back of your Apple gift card. For digital cards, copy the code exactly from your email. Step 5. If using the camera, hold your physical card within the frame and let the iPhone automatically read the code. Ensure the code is fully visible and scratch-off areas are uncovered. Step 6. Tap Redeem to add the card balance to your Apple ID. Your Apple ID balance will update immediately, and you can use it for purchases in the App Store, iTunes, or Apple services. Step 7. Confirm your updated balance by going back to your account page. Keep the card or digital confirmation for your records in case of any issues. That's it. Following these steps allows you to activate your Apple gift card on iPhone quickly and securely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more simple and helpful step-by-step guides.